Financial problems. 25 points. Okay. Ay, sigara mo tayo, okay? Other than this, stress sources are again, no? Mga possible sources of stress for adolescents or teenagers. First, school demands and frustration. Diba? We have high expectations or high standards ng ating mga teacher, parents, no? May cobra din, may cobra dito, diba? So, gano'n ako sa stress. Number 2, negative thoughts and feelings about themselves. Please ask naman ba, di ba sa inyong self na hindi ka kaya? Diba? In-underestimate yung mismo inyong kaugalingon na wala kang moving fast. Pagpapati, no, sa inyo, makakayahan. And it can cause your stress. Number 3, changes in their bodies. Again, susunod na naman ang balas. Kung teenage, sakit ako kalibata mo, changes, nagkakatabot ninyo nga, ilawan, pimples, no, etc. It can cause you also stress. Next, number 5, unsafe living environment and neighborhood. Hindi ka na feel mo, hindi ka na safe sa inyong neighborhood. No, may kawatan, may chismosa, diba? May mga addict, diba? Wala ka balo kung magpuli ka, safe ka. And ang mas malala pa kung susunod mo bala mo ang feeling mo nga hindi ka safe, diba? Number 6, separation and divorce of parents, diba? It can cause human stress, no? Ang pag-iwalay sa iyong mga mama at papa, no? Okay, so na mga bata ma-adjust, diba? Number 7, chronic illness, no? And severe problem in the family. Anong chronic? Diba? Chronic? Yes, a lot of persistence, diba? Kasi lang siya, no? Or reoccurring, kabalik-balik, no? Mga illnesses. Kaya ko sa stress out. No, kaya lahat na tanan. Like financial problem, diba? Hindi mo mabantay, diba? Hindi mo mabalay. Next, death of loved one, diba? Pinakasakit, no? Kapag yan sa isa ka, pinakalamdag mo, no? Wala ka balo kung paano ka na actor, diba? Sino naman support mo, etc. So it can cause stress. Number 9, moving or changing school. Sino na hindi ka sa silahan or sa balay. Diba? It can cause stress. Kaya ma-adjust ka naman bago sa new environment mo. New friends na naman. Diba? Bayaan mo itong mga old friends nyo, etc. Number 10, taking on too many activities. Hindi ka pwede ka sa imo. Diba? Yes, sa mga activities, tumulog-rawan ka na pa-obra sa imo. Now, you suffer ka na ng mga activities and responsibilities na ginitugyan sa imo. Ako na siya, mga possible sources of stress for teenagers, ako pag-hindi, and matawag pa yun nga, iban. Okay, let's hear naman for group 2. Salamat kaya rin group 2. Your turn.
Sir, and to my classmates, good afternoon. Alright, so our group, on behalf of group 2, we were given a task to put different facts of stress. So we call these are emails. First, it's inside us. Second, expression. Third, movement, especially when for the girls, when they're on their menstruation period. Applications such as PCOS, suicidal thoughts, and overthinking. Ladies and gentlemen, I have spoken to you.
Thank you very much, group 2. So, correct pa rin siya, no? Anxiety, depression, mood swings, health issue. Inside, ang kapilman natin, ang suicidal thoughts, diba? Effect ka na sa stress, no? Masubrahan. Overthinking, ano na siya, 25 points man. Okay, very good. Group 2. Sige, tayo pa na. 25 na. Grabe naman. Okay. Matugang ko ha. Ibang kanina mention naman, no? What are the effects of stress, no? Prolonged stress can be devastating, no? Diba? And it's frustrating, diba? Ano yung mga results? Burnout. Anong burnout? Yes, tired, unmotivated, diba? Emotionally drained, no? Amo na siya, no? Burnout. This usually comes from non-stop pressure. Full delicate, no? And without enough nga rest. Okay? Next, depression. Ano depression niya? You have too much nga sadness, no? Kadevelop na when stress is ignored or too long. Di ba by having stress, no? A person may feel sad, lonely, no, again, worthless, no? Most of the time. Okay? Agad yung mga simple tasks, kung hindi na nila kaya obrahon, no? Unmotivated naman sila nga obrahon, no? Okay, next. Sleep problem. Experience naman eh. Since kung stress ka, hindi ka matulog, di ba? Or hindi ka nakakutaw. Yes! Hypersomnia, di ba? Sobrahan naman sa tulog. Ano ba na siya? Correct, man. Yes, ano, paralysis. Iba naman siya gawin ang cause yung problem, no? Okay, ano pa? Next, physical issues. Naranasan headache, stomach ache, vomiting, no? Pagkasto, diba? Init sa kamasyagan. Nice. No? Ano pa? Tama na. Relationship problem. Natalahig man na akong over na ang stress. So, ang pabangkot, paano na natin i-manage or i-go? So, pamatian natin ang group 3. Good!
How you can cope with stress. Number 1, comfort food. Music. Number 3, doing your hobbies. Number 4 is reading. Number 5 is online shopping. Impulsive buying. Number 6 is short walk. Number 7 is going out. And 8 is reconnecting with nature. And number 9 is catching up with friends.
Yes, thank you very much. There are so many ways, no, for us to cope with stress or para natin i-manage ang stress, no? At ang narilang intention, sakto man, di ba? Sa line din, sakto. Okay, 25 points na for group 3, ha? Okay, matugaman ko, how do we cope with stress? May ay ko din listahan man. First one, deep breathing. Ano deep breathing? Yes, slowly, deep breath, inhale, exhale. Ano lang po sa lawat sa? Yes, very good, no? It helps us for us to have, no, calm mind, relax our body, diba? Especially during mga stressful moments. Number 2, talking to someone. At least sabihin na, no, kung gusto mo mapausbas, diba? Pangitan sa mga tao, duwaman na, or group of friends nga, pwede mo istorya all, no? Number 3, time management. Ano time management? You have to plan your tasks, no? Prioritize kung ano mas importante kasi hindi ka para hindi ka matamad. It can reduce pressure, guys. Number 4, exercise. May exercise ka rin? Yes. Very important exercise. Ito mga simple lang exercise. Walking, jumping, running, no, ano pa? Lifting, diba? Mga malamang exercise. Stretching, yes. It can help you release tension sa inyong lawas. Number 5, taking breaks. Very important, guys, nga mabuhay man kita. Okay? Isa na malulong para sa mind mo nga kaya mo na tanan, pero ang lawas mo, mag-give up na. Okay? Number 6, just getting enough to sleep. No? Importante ba? Tulogin. No? Okay. Kung gabi, tagin oras na makatulog ka. Okay, pagkaaga na pa back naman oras. Number 7, meron ko doing habits or enjoyable activities. Yes, very important. So, pakita ka mga ways ba, habits mo, activities, na maligaw ka, no? Kaya para mag-distract ka from stress, no? Number 8, asking for help when needed. So, pakita ka mo help. Ay, kapag mo, kahat mo help, kung needed na. importante, yun na guys ha, na kung hindi na kaya, seek help, no? To your parents, kung hindi ka ba sa parents, to yung counselor, sa teacher, or sa mga mental health professionals. Okay? Naintindihan? Okay, may question? Alright. Okay, last na activity here. Okay, I want you everyone to please stand up. Kindly carry your bag in front of your chest. Okay, everyone
In front of your chest.
Yeah. Let us hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. Ano, dugangan ka. 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, kaya ka ba?
Kaya ka!
Give up na.
Kaya ka!
Yung more pa, 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 100.
So how did you feel when holding sa inyong bag for a longer time? Apoy, alay, diba? Ano, nag-feel sa inyong arm? Stress. Stress. Yes. Stress sa, no? What you experience show us something important. And that is, application of lesson real life, diba? The bag didn't change, correct? Yes. But the longer you hold that bag, no? The longer you carry that bag, the harder it gets or become, no? This is exactly how stress works in our life. So ang lesson na makuha? Sa life, sa bag, yes, hindi pag-give ang problem to guys, no? Take some rest. Diba? Pero kaya electro. Diba? Wala pa tapos, nag-rest na siya. Diba? No? Take time, diba? Isilin o ibuin ang problema, no? Mga problems in life, financial, man na academic, man na family, man na, no? Hindi everyday itala or ipipitol. Teka, kapoy man. Diba? Kapoy hindi. Kapoy. No? O, may times nga, may gusto ko pa yung problem nyo, ipilit sa balay, at least magkakasulaan. No? Ay para hindi ka masampal. Diba? Wala na siya. Matuloy sa objective nyo, no? Ang experience, our life, application, pwede ka mag-apply sa lifestyle ng mga students. Okay? May question? Nine. So, mamata lang ang pao. Stress a natural reaction, yes or no? Yes. When can stress be helpful or beneficial? Yes, if you are motivated, no? When does stress become harmful and destructive? Yes, kung too much na siya or carry mo for a longer time. So, important yung question. Why is it important to learn how to manage stress? Kasi sa tingin natin, manage stress. Especially sa inyo, mga adolescents. Yes, yes, so very good. So, para ma-avoid ng mga words or mga major effects sa stress. Okay? Very good, everyone. No? Pero huwag siyang madali na kang okay. Stress is natural and avoidable part of life. Only adults experience stress. Number 3, people can learn healthy ways to cope with and manage stress. All stress is bad and should be completely avoided. When stress becomes overwhelming or poorly managed, it can negatively affect our well-being. Ito na naka 5 points. Oh, very good. Number 4 na, naka-correct answer. For your assignment, picturein na lang a personal experience where stress affected your life. How you cope with it and how you could do it differently in the future. How to handle stress better. Okay na? Okay. May natunaan?